Una ko po question kay Direk, Kani. Curious lang ako, bakit Megan Ryan? Kumbaga we all know that tagaling natin ng N, this is Meg Ryan, the Hollywood star.
Okay. Megan Ryan, I'd just like to acknowledge and inform everyone that this was written by Gina Marisa Tagasa. So, si Manay Gina is a fan of Meg Ryan. You know naman, Meg Ryan is the queen of rom-coms in the 80s, di ba? So, when we were doing yung collaboration of the content, hindi talaga Megan Ryan ang title ng film. But, as we go along, ang ganda ng characterization na nabuo. And nagmarka sa amin yung character ni Meg and Ryan. So, si Manay, ang instinct niya na, can we use Meg and Ryan as a title? So I gave a green light to her na, sige, maganda naman at kakaiba, hindi siya yung, walang masyadong sinasabi. Kumbaga Meg and Ryan, it speaks of the character of the story. So that's the evolution of it.
Actually, bongga nga, may recall talaga siya. Then my next question, para kay JC at saka kay Rian. Correct me nga, baka mamaya mali ako. Is this your first time together, working together?
Yes.
Okay, na. So how was it mula working in this film? Ano yung mga na-discover nyo din with each other? Kasi, oo nga pala, JC is more on ABS and Rian is we all know, a loyal kapuso talaga. So how was it?
I really enjoyed the whole experience. Sobra talagang, totoo yung sinabi kanina ni Tita Ses, na talagang napaka-generous niya as an actor. If there's anything that he can do to help you in the scene, he will. At saka, even if it's, parang sorry. He will go farther than what it takes na para bang hindi lang yung acting part yung gagawin niya, pero kung pwede siya mag-contribute dun sa lines, pwede din siya kung ano yung mas natural niyang sasabihin. Di ba na pag-uusapan natin before scenes kung may papalitan. Ayun, talagang ini-imbibe niya talaga what would Ryan do? What would Ryan say? So, ayun. It really helped me. It made my job super easy.
JC?
Actually, hindi lang si Iria, everybody here is easy to work with. As in, wala naman, ito yung masarap sa idea ng collaboration eh. Minsan talaga nagtutugma kayo, minsan hindi. At kadalasan dito sa grupo na to, nagtutugma kami lahat eh. Na-enjoy namin yung process, even the challenges of it. So, working with Rian, ako, until now, I'm still honored. I mean, this is Rian Ramos. Ako, isa siya sa parang check bucket list na pwede sana maging makatrabaho ko, and it's happening now. At nakita ko yung process niya, nakita ko yung kung paano siya magtrabaho, and I enjoyed every moment of it. At nakita ko yung dedication kung paano siya kung paano niya ibigay yung truth ng scene. So ako, super sulit sa akin yun. At para ako, kasi minsan nanonood ako eh. Hindi lang ako, minsan nakalimutan ko mag-react kasi, uy, galing mo na. So I find clever things in those things, lalo even Tita Ses. Diba? At binigyan kami ng magandang freedom ni Direk para sa mga roles namin. At nakakatuwa kasi nabigay namin yung personality namin dun sa para maganda yung script.
Actually, totoo naman. Nakita ko siya sa trailer.